let's talk about the language to influence. Within the change people pattern, you're going to be able to detect now whether people sort or filter the world by looking at what's the same or by looking at what's different, by sorting through similarities or differences. And you've also learned that not everyone's an extreme, right? People are on both sides of the scale. You've got extreme sameness people, you got extreme difference people who are also mismatchers and polarity responders as you start assessing the difference people, the different difference people, yeah. But now we're going to learn about the words that you use. And words have power. I've already alluded to some of the phrasing, some of the words. Wyatt has overviewed this as well. But I want to talk with you about how you can be much more influential, how you can be much more persuasive, ethically persuasive, by being able to read where people are at in whatever given context, what's their model of the world that they're operating and filtering from, whether or not they're sorting or searching for sameness or similarities. Soon we're going to be also talking about how this is applied to sales, how it's applied to marketing, coaching. You can draw a lot of your own conclusions how this can apply to parenting, management, leadership, and so on. But first, let's talk about the words. Sameness people tend to use words like what you see here, and these are the type of words that you can use to influence as well. So you're essentially building more rapport with them. You're aligning yourself with them. You're earning a level of trust at a subconscious level with them by matching up how they're already thinking and filtering information when they speak. And these are the type of words you can use. In common, maintain, equal, keep the same, same as, like, identical, equivalent, in a similar way, unchanged. They don't like change, so you can use unchanged. You might be already familiar with this, or this is similar to, or this is comparable to, or this is one and the same. We're going to sustain this, or this, we're going to preserve this. That's languaging that influences sameness people. And soon we're going to learn how to apply that to different areas of your life. Qualified sameness people, remember, they're looking for similarities and then looking for maybe the differences. So it's the same except for, the same except that. More, better, less, the same but, the same although, evolved, refined, gradual, evolutionary, enhance, improve. This is a little bit of an improvement. It's the same, but we've improved it. We've stepped it up. We see some progress, although we see a lot of similarities, right? So qualified sameness people, they look for similarities first, differences second. Difference people, they'll use extreme words that really take one side of the fence, right? Unique, different, new, radical, radically different, distinctive, unmatched, shift, pivot, unlike, inventive, creative, pioneering, groundbreaking, ingenious. This is original. This is a novel idea. This is an inventive innovation. Those are the words you can use with difference people. And you can already start to hear how you could maybe use this in sales, marketing, leadership, management, coaching, consulting, parenting. Qualified difference people, changed, modified, better and new. Remember, qualified difference people look for the differences, but not the extreme differences. They kind of look for they kind of want some things different, but then they want some things the same. So, but they lead with difference, right? So you can talk about things having been changed, modified, improved upon, gradually making changes. You can use the strongest word would be different. It's different except for, it's different, but it's different except that. It's customized, it's tailored, it's tweaked. Tweaked isn't on here, but should be. That's an example of how you can speak to influence somebody who's qualified difference. And then once you learn how to increase the vocabulary and get all these words, then you can then take them and package them in your sales presentations, marketing materials, in how you talk with your children, in how you lead people, how you manage. And you're also probably starting to get really clear on how you sort and filter information as well. And we're only on pattern number 1, the change people pattern.